just a girl. Sane. It is Monday and I just decided to start this video because why the hell not? I need to stop saying and, it's just too much of and. Recently, I have been a little unproductive. This annoys me a lot. Recently, I've been very unproductive, and it is just depressing and sad to see for myself because I'm not this person. So, I decided to challenge myself a little and shoot this video so that by the name of this video, at least I start being productive and get back into my daily routine. I woke up at 11 today, which is very bad, but it is better than yesterday because yesterday I woke up at like 12:30. So I'm trying to pull it back. I really hope. Actually, I woke up at like 10:30, but I have been watching YouTube videos since, and right now it's 12. So for almost 1.5 hours, I was watching YouTube videos to get inspiration because I don't have a vlog to go for like the video after the one that's going. So the video is edited actually. I finished my rough draft. I'll do the final draft today and tomorrow mein, and then kal hi I'll upload it to YouTube, and Wednesday and Thursday I'll get free. So I will start editing this video. I also need to shoot reels. I don't have reels to post. It is so bad. Everyone is behind my. They're like, why are you not posting reels? What is wrong with you? And I'm just like, I'm just a girl. No, I'm not. That's not me. But yeah, I need to post. It's actually very bad, but too much workload, no real inspo. I don't know what to do at this point. Let's start with the skincare. Let's start with the skincare first. Oh, also, before I start with anything, I need to show you guys this. This. Oh shit, no, wait, this. It says Gauri's That Girl Routine, and it has a bunch of things on it. You see that? It says Gauri's That Girl Routine, and it has a bunch of things on it. It's just a checklist. You just have to check it. You don't even have to write. It's just like if you want to write something, there's like 2 lines for notes, but you don't actually have to write anything. It is actually available to you guys. So my dad sat and designed this, and the best part of this thing is that these quotes. You see these quotes at the bottom? Yeah, there are different quotes on every page, and my dad sat and designed it, and I think this is like 19 pages long. We wanted to make it available to you guys because for me to find a checklist became very difficult, and I am not a person who can give like diary entries every single day because it makes me very annoyed. So this you can either checklist in the start of your day or the end of your day. So as like if I did 2 3 things from this, I just checked it, and then as I'm going through the day, I just keep checking whatever I do, and I can keep reading this so that I know what I want to do. And plus, you have 3 sections open, so like these three, so you can write your own stuff what you need to do that day, and notes में भी लिख सकते हो. And 24 number is a lucky number, and my mom forced me to include it in here. So yeah, overall it's really nice. It has niche cardio, yoga, weight, rest, stretch day, meditation, how much water you had, how many hours of sleep. If you guys want to get it, I am linking my dad's account below. He will be handling it. You guys can go ahead and DM him. It is hardly for like 99 rupees, I think, because that also we were not going to charge, but then it took him so long. It took him hours to make this for me, and I decided, like, okay, you know what? If you're doing that much mehnat and you want to give it to other people, might as well sell it. Don't give it for free because it took a lot of mehnat to make, and this is not available on Pinterest, Canva, anywhere. We literally made this from scratch. You can DM my dad and you can tell him that, oh shit, you can tell him that we wanted the That Girl Routine checklist, and he will definitely give it to you. And you have to pay like 99 rupees, but I think it's totally worth it. I would do that because there are like 19 pages in it, so it totally makes it worth it. This also was my dad's idea. Too much talking, let's start. put this on. I don't really know why. I just said okay. Mummy, who are you talking to?
Nani.
Can I ask something? Can you believe it?
मम्मी एक मिनट होल्ड करना. क्या है?
Can you believe it is the first time I'm watching The Devil Wears Prada?
You stupid.
Exactly. Everyone says that. I have never seen The Devil Wears Prada. I'm halfway
You've not
through.
watched any English movies which are
13
good.
going on 30 I'm gonna watch. I
Made in
literally-
Heaven देखी है? Sorry, Made in Heaven है रेशा क्या है ये?
जेनिफर लोपेज की है।
Made in Heaven है ना?
But Devil Wears Prada is pretty good. Anne Hathaway की movies are pretty good. I watched Princess Diaries yesterday.
Oh, that's
It's so cute.
जोन्स का
Bridget Jones'
Bridget
Diaries.
Jones Diary मैंने नाम सुना है but मैंने
वो
देखी
भी बहुत अच्छी है. Corey, so many movies you've not watched.
ये है तो मैंने कल मांगा तो आंटी ने बोला
ओए
नहीं
मेरे को
है.
इसमें
उसको
स्मूदी बना
पता नहीं होगा क्या है.
तो मैंने बोला लाल वाली बेरीज उन्हें पता है, वो काली वाली थी, उन्होंने बोला लाल वाली नहीं है. नहीं दी.
पूनम एप्पल काट रही है ना आधा।
चलो बाय. बात कर लो.
This is literally what my room looks like. It's a total mess and we don't like it, but I want to watch The Devil Wears Prada for a bit and then I'm going to clean this up. Let's start. Oh, never mind. Hey guys, so let me give you guys a little bit of update that I don't think I have spoken about here, and after this we're done with the did I break it? After this we're done with the morning routine. Right. Okay, so I banged my head here yesterday into like bathroom के बाहर वो जो tile type thing होता है. I was at a friend's place. I just banged my head because I was पता नहीं क्या कर रही थी मैं. I was wearing socks. I kind of slipped and my head just went bang into that. And I thought it would stop paining after some time, and I literally cried over there because it pained so much. Guess what? I now have a head pay bump, like a small bump, and it hurts a little, and I feel like a total idiot. I am so clumsy. I literally bang my head, I bang my hand. मेरा पैर तो लगता रहता है, वो तो मतलब बहुत normal है. I don't know how and when. 15 minutes I have been sitting here. No construction they did, huh? Now as soon as I start recording, they want to do this thug. This is coming back to my story. I have no clue how I bang my head, how I bang my hand, how I bang my legs. कहाँ से नील आ जाता है मेरे पैर पे, मेरे हाथ पे, मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता. Anyways, तो I am gonna end this morning routine वाला part अभी, because it's literally not morning anymore. It's basically gonna be evening because I woke up super late. You guys know that. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I literally haven't gotten out of bed, even brushed as a matter of fact, because I was kind of like doing thoda investigating work. Ignore that and that. Basically, we have this one friend, actually two friends in Bangkok, and they love to surprise. Like, I'm telling you, they absolutely love to surprise. They will never tell us and come. It's always that we are just here and then one day they're also here, so it gets very awkward. So today we actually saw this one of our friends story and it was in a flight. Then me and my friend, we started to investigate which flights left from Bangkok to Mumbai today with time difference. Like exactly, so like यहाँ पे जब 7:30 हो रहा है, वहाँ पे it's 9 a.m. So I checked which flights left from Bangkok at 9 a.m. and it's just insane. Actually, I forgot the time difference. I literally was checking flights at 7:30 from Bangkok to Mumbai and it just kept saying there are no flights, and then my friend is like, Gauri, time difference, and I was like, oh shit, yeah. So yeah, we checked with time difference and there is a flight with a layover. Actually, she found this out because मुझे तो नहीं मिला. But there is a flight with a layover and let's see what happens because like loves to surprise bro. It's actually insane. She loves to surprise and yeah. Oh, I just got an update. Wait. Hi. So the update is actually kind of crazy. we are still not able to match the time, and this is some real investigating shit, guys. Don't take this very lightly. If you're a girl, you definitely know how much investigating makes girls happy. Like, I love to investigate. If you give me like a guy's name and you're like, bro, I'm dating him, can you do like a background check? I will. I'll literally check his Facebook, his Insta, his Snapchat, figure out who his friends are, text them, ask them, okay, bro, what's the scene with this guy? Is he good? Is he bad? I don't get it. Like, how can you not take investigating stuff to like another level? Okay, so my breakfast is here, guys. Breakfast is served. Anyway, sorry. No, that's not me. I was just overacting, but breakfast is here. So, we are gonna have breakfast while investigating. Hey guys, I just took a bath and I feel so much better. I've realized that the days I take baths, like good ones, good ones mean like 15-20 minutes in the shower minimum. And I just feel like a whole lot better than I did before taking that bath. You know, I've always been the girl who hates showering or taking a bath, like totally hates it. But recently I've come to realize how valuable it is and how important it is to take a shower in the morning. So like mera pura motivation of taking a shower comes in the evening, and obviously by that time the day has ended and I have to go back to sleep. So it becomes very frustrating for me, and because of that, my as soon as I start talking, this construction starts again. But when I am not talking, there is no construction at all. It's very frustrating, to be honest. Okay, so I literally waited for the construction to stop to start talking again. It's so much calmer and I don't have to yell at the top of my voice. So overall, I already like it better. Anyways, so I saw this reel yesterday. Oh, I'm doing this Gauri's That Girl routine checklist. Basically, I saw this reel yesterday, and in that reel, this girl was explaining something about Silicon Valley entrepreneurs, their rich people habits. I love watching reels, YouTube videos related to rich people habits. I take up a few habits. So I saw this reel where this girl goes like, okay, so what these people do is work 4 days, day and night. They don't look at the clock, like no 9 to 5. It's like you just work, 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 work. And then for the rest 3 days, so like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days they worked बहुत ज़्यादा. And then after that, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they don't work, like zero work. They take a full rest day. You can go chill out with your friends. But one day, like out of those 3 days that are your rest days, one day you have to sit at home and just let yourself be. So these are the important times in your life, because these times help you come up with ideas which will make you richer, better, healthier, whatever. So these times are very important. So like one day they take like a full rest day, no people, no socializing, and I just really, really like that. I realize that I do that too. And then when I do that, I don't realize that I am doing that. But then when, like, for me, taking rest days is actually considered very bad. And I don't know why. That's actually a very bad habit. But I do take breaks, but I feel very guilty for taking those breaks. But then now when I watch this reel, I was like, bro, I do the same thing for like 4-5 days. I work straight. And I mean, not just like थोड़ा सा काम क्या छोड़ दिया. My work consists of editing, shooting, and figuring out brand के क्या requirements है, हमें क्या करना है, इसका कैसे होगा, उसका कैसे होगा. ये सब मेरे दिमाग में पूरी रात भी चलता है. कल रात को मैं सो नहीं पाई just because of thinking about all of this. And I really like my work. I'm not complaining, but like, it's a fact. I really sometimes stress out way too much, even when I shouldn't. So this is why I feel like it is just so much better for me to work for like 4-5 days straight and then not work for 2-3 days. But then those 2-3 days should not be like bad for me, and I should not feel guilty about them. So I have decided to like promise myself to not feel guilty about those 2-3 days that I decide to work, not work for, sorry. So I had 6 hours of sleep today. Only reason I'm going out of my house is because of this construction. It is frankly very annoying. So today my helper will be deep cleaning my room because वहाँ पे बहुत डीप क्लीन चाहिए. वहाँ पीछे ना एक बार कॉफ़ी गिर गई थी थोड़े दिन पहले, तो वहाँ पे अभी भी स्टेन है ऑन द वॉल. So I've told her to clean that. Plus my bed sheet needs a change. It's getting very dirty. Like my room is overall like a complete mess. Yeah, it's like a complete mess, and I have this habit of keeping it like that. So you know what happens with me? I like 2-3 दिन के लिए तो I am एकदम good and I keep my room clean, but then my room does not have a lot of storage. ठीक है, and my mom told me to get more storage, but then me being me did not. So I have to suffer on my own. I'm not blaming anyone for it, but like I didn't get too much storage, so like everything उसको वापस रखना, उसकी जगह figure out करना gets very frustrating for me. So hopefully I can move out soon and like get a house where just my stuff is there, because मेरा उतना stuff है नहीं, but यहाँ पे ना बेड के अंदर भी बहुत चीज़ें हैं. So like if I would be living alone, I would probably keep my games at a different place, my books at a different place, my this whole skincare stuff, and like if I move I'll probably even get organizers. बहुत कुछ है, तो हाँ, it just gets very annoying. I just registered for driving school after talking about it for like God knows how long. I think since I turned 18 I've been talking about driving school, and I just registered. So peace. Errand number 2, guys. This we are going to give these bags. No, it's okay. We are इतना शांत आवाज़ चली जाएगी. We are going to give these bags to H&M because it's better to like give it to them. They also recycle the clothes. Hey, I like that dress. The floral one. Next up, makeup brushes.
Guy doesn't know which brush she wants. She is going to search on internet. Ha 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 ha. इतने सारे brushes हैं यहाँ पे.
And she was telling me, वो देखो ज़रा भाई,
ये देखो इतने
अगर आपको हल्का सा भी मेकअप का नॉलेज है ना, तो इसका मतलब है आपको कोई नॉलेज नहीं है भाई. मेकअप इंडस्ट्री इज़ वेरी वास्ट. After like half an hour of sar khapai, we finally came up to the conclusion that this one has all of the ones that I want.
Better.
So this is I don't know what brush, but this is definitely an
We'll tell you
eyeshadow
at
brush.
home while-
वो हम घर जाके figure out करेंगे क्या क्या है. But we feel like this is the right one for now at least. Hi guys, I am back from my shopping day with my mom actually. So here is everything I got. Wait, let me show you the bags. So like I have 3 bags, and here is everything we got. First, let's start with Shoppers Stop. I want to sit. I'm super tired and my stomach's paining. So we only got one thing from Shoppers Stop, and it is a mug, and it is literally the Pinterest mug that I have been wanting for so long. I literally searched everywhere for it. I went to Kolaba, I went यहाँ के markets में. I searched online, I found it on a few stores, but I really like picking stuff up physically. then virtually. So I prefer. So I was just like, okay, you know what? Let's just wait and see कि वो कब अगर हमें यहाँ मिल जाएगा कोई store पे. So we kind of forgot about it after that. But today we found it. It's beginning to reveal itself. Ah, it's so pretty. It is literally the Pinterest cup. I have been searching for it everywhere and it is so cute. Then we went to Nature's Basket. Then we went to Nature's Basket. We only got one thing from Nature's Basket. It was because we were trying to find a cookie mix and we could not find one. So we decided to get an oven cake mix vanilla flavor. It's like a 35 minutes cake and it gets ready very easily. Now we come to the hugest part of this haul. First, I got these makeup brushes and these are of course from Miniso. We also got these two nail paints from Miniso. Okay, this one is in the shade MO2 Nude and this one is GO4 Hot Pink. This is the last part of this haul. We got clothes and we needed them, so peace out. I went to H&M and I went to the kids section. And of course, if I go to the kids section, I usually always pick up something and this is what I found. It is so cute. I mean, come on. Then we got this from the Eldor Wala section. This is a fitted t-shirt. It's the same one that I have in grey. Fitted wale usme I went for another color because I really like that one. And this one is cotton, so I love it even more. But yeah, I really like this one. I find this so cute. I'm gonna wear this right away. But this is the end of today's video because I went on a shopping spree. I just decided to continue the vlog thoda sa till the evening, but it is currently almost 4, so I think we're done with the morning part of this vlog and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is 7. I woke up at 7:30. It is 8 right now. I literally don't know what I'm doing in this video. I don't know what I'm doing in this video. I am very annoyed and it's making no sense. Like I'm doing the same thing over and over and over again. At least I feel like that. My mornings typically are very boring. I just get up, I eat my breakfast, I take a bath, and I get to work. That is basically my everyday routine, and I'm so used to it. I've been doing it for years, and especially like it's been like at least 2 years since I've been following this routine before. After 10th, actually, since I did 11th, 12th, when I 11th, 12th, I hardly had to go to college. So I would just get up, I would take a bath, and I'll start work. I would get up, it's a routine for me, and it's not a bad routine, but it's not something very interesting to film for YouTube. But a lot of people wanted my morning to night routine. So I don't have a typical routine. I don't go through the same thing every day because I feel like that's just very boring. I have like thoda sa tweaking, thoda sa idhar udhar. You guys probably think I'm super boring because who the hell has such a boring routine? Planning to like take a shower because yesterday when I took a shower in the morning, I actually felt super productive the whole day. With that, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear and what I'm gonna do. I don't know, bro. Today is just a lazy day. I wanna laze around. I don't feel like working. I haven't finished editing. This is. I keep coughing until I don't drink water. I'll have water. I have to finish editing my YouTube video, which is supposed to go out on Thursday, and I think it's Wednesday today.
It's Wednesday, the 25th of September.
Yeah, it's Wednesday, so the video needs to be edited and uploaded today. Yesterday, I was about to do it, but then my mood was kind of thoda bad, sham mein, so I didn't do anything. So now I'll do it. This is why I like having a buffer so that sometimes my mood is off. I don't feel like working. So I can just work the next day and not have to worry. I'm so sleepy. I actually slept at 11 yesterday, which is insane because I never sleep at 11. But I think my sleeping schedule is finally coming into place. मैं कल रात को watch पहन के सो गई थी. Anyways, let's start with this morning. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do and let's start. Hi guys, I just literally could not find what to wear, so I just just worn this yellow t-shirt and my basic Savannah jeans. This is my breakfast today. I'm having oats with coffee. I still have to do my morning journaling and all that stuff. But right now I just kind of want to watch Netflix thoda sa because I don't know why, but I'm feeling very low. I'm going to do that and I'll see you guys later. My hair are a total mess. My dad has locked that room. I think he's taking a shower. I'm gonna wear my accessories and do a little bit of skincare. Plus, as you saw yesterday, I got a few new brushes. They're from Miniso and they're so cute. I don't know what these brushes are used for properly. I need to research. But in case any of you guys do, please, like, these are the brushes. I'm giving you a close-up so that if any of you do know what it's for, please comment so that I can be a little more educated about makeup. For those of you who don't know, I am currently pursuing FYBA, that is first year bachelor's in arts. I didn't want to do the college life. I kind of felt like it was not for me because I did try it during 11th, 12th and I just didn't vibe with it personally. So distance learning, also called, I think, correspondence, however you pronounce it. It's where I don't have to go to college and I just have to give my exams. I will still pass. Of course, I'm doing it because having a degree is very necessary nowadays. So it's very different because you can even like not have a degree and pursue stuff. Now I'm not, oh shit, why do I keep, every single day this happens, every single day. Now right now I am doing it from Mumbai University. So there is this Mumbai University ka thing called as IDOL. It's Institute for Distance and Open Learning, something like that. And oh my god, am I annoyed. I am personally fine with the website being slow, frustrating, but it's fine. Like, theek hai. Their number does not dial. I got like 5 different numbers from every single website that I could possibly find. I dialed all of those numbers. Not one number even dialed through. All of their numbers are either out of service or they're saying is continuously busy. I am super frustrated. Yeah, if any of you are doing distance learning from like either Mumbai University or any other university, please let me know, specifically Mumbai University. I am lighting this candle from Miris by Mohroot. I really need to get that lighter again, the big lighter, so that I can just like... Oh, also shit, I have to shoot a video for Instagram because I don't have one single video, so peace out. Okay, I'll see you guys later. So I shot 2 reels. I changed back into this outfit because I didn't want to ruin the other one. I just ate pani puri and now I'm eating like dal chawal with achar. I just got a news, something very exciting is gonna happen tomorrow, but I can't show it in this vlog. I might, I don't know, let's see. Like, it depends on tomorrow actually. Tomorrow is gonna be a very exciting day. I really hope you guys enjoy tomorrow. Okay, enough of tomorrow. I will speak to you guys later. I will eat my food abhi, watch thoda sa Netflix Prime, let's see what. See you guys later. Bye.